Every day. Got my heart no. Break your hand in. Get us every day.
If I don't get to use this footage because my mic is being stupid, I'm gonna lose it. What's up, brother?
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, good. How are you?
Good. I didn't know there'd be this many people.
I didn't either. We came up here, I was like, there better be a good turnout.
Yeah. Well, I got out, like, I was sweating at the house. I was like, I gotta go. And then once I got out, I was fine.
Yeah.
Come on. Could be this many people. What's up, man?
What's up?
How are you?
Yeah, I know. We're deep out here.
I rolled in. I was like, there's probably gonna be like 3 people. And I was like, oh shit.
How you like the shark? Is it light? You like it?
I like it, but like I had a Pista, and then I have my X15.
Yeah.
This is my 5th mic trying to get it to work because it's so quiet that it just blows the mic out. So
a lot of people like quiet, but
this is like too quiet. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I may sell it.
What size is it?
Medium. What's that?
So you say he's smoking you on a 636.
That's fine. How are you? Good. We got Tanner's slow ass. All right. What?
You gonna go eat with us?
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go. Alright, well, my battery died, so alrighty, I'm gonna play some music now. We got Tanner out here. I gotta listen to music and get locked in, man. He's too fast. Alright, let's go. I think I smell coolant. I hope not. It's hard to tell with all these bikes. Oh. Yeah, thanks. Hi, doggy. Alright, my GoPro keeps dying. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, man. Let me know what you guys want to see. Drop your recommendations for mics and stuff down in the comments. See you guys later. Peace.